Hey everyone, welcome to K Digital Solution. My name is Carl, and here we'll talk about the powerful ways on how to grow your business using digital marketing, lead generation, and the cutting edge AI automation, guys. So, if you're a small business owner looking to save time and reach more customers and stay ahead of your competitors, guys, this is the place for you. So now let me tell you a bit of what we do here in Carl Digital Solution, guys. So we help businesses generate high quality leads so you can stop worrying about where your next customer will come from. And also we create marketing strategies that make you stand out even in a crowded market. And also we implement AI automation tools that save you time and money and letting you focus on what matters the most, which is running your business, guys. So here is our YouTube channel. If you are interested to see more of this kind of videos, guys, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. So we'll proceed to our example website. So this is a sample website, guys. So actually, one of the coolest tools that we offer here is the AI chatbot for your website, and you'll see it here right down the bottom right corner of your website, guys. And today I'm going to show you a quick demo on how it works and how it can help your business, guys. So for example, there's a lead that landed to your website, which is this, and he wants to get to know more or book a call or schedule a call for quotation. He could just instantly go here and choose to chat via SMS or email, or he would choose to go for a live chat. So this will be handled all by AI, guys. So actually I already tried it yesterday. You can see it actually works well. So you can see the response. So it says, hi, you reach K Digital Solution, and how can I help you today? So I said that I wanted a consultation, and it immediately replied for a good response, guys. So to get started, could you please tell me your name? So the bot aims to get all the details that we would be needing to contact him and see if he would be a qualified lead. So after we get the name, email, and number, he would give the leads the available schedule, which will be fit the most for him or for her to schedule a call to you. So you can see it gives schedule and time and date. If the lead would want to just book themselves, you can ask. So as you can see, it gave the first available schedule, which is the July 1st. And what if the leads isn't available on that date? You can tell the AI to book for another date, and it will give you another slot and date for the schedule that fits the lead. So if the customer would like to pick for themselves, the AI would give a link, which is this one, and the leads will be redirected for this discovery call, guys. So they could just check in and pick the date that suits them and the time available. So for this one, we go select, and they would just fill out their name, phone, and email and schedule for a meeting. So after that, the AI, so let's go back. So after the customer scheduled a call, you will be notified to your email, to your phone, that there's someone who booked a scheduled call for your service, guys. So that's how it exactly works. And also this we also do have AI voice agents, which I will upload next time in this channel. So if you are interested to see how it works, don't forget to give it a like or subscribe to this channel, guys. So that's all for today, and let me know if this AI chatbot will be helpful for your business, guys. So let me know down the comment section, and let's chat there and continue the conversation, guys. So you have a great day, and thank you for watching.